There are over 10 billion US dollars of Bitcoin short liquidation sitting above us, while in the short term, Bitcoin is creating a new symmetrical triangle. So inevitably, starting next week, when our CME gap has been closed, we are going to be seeing a massive breakout, and you probably do not want to be missing out on this one. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, in that short term, we are still trading inside of a weekend. After getting these massive breakouts towards the upside, we have been getting a little bit of a rejection from this major level of resistance, which of course, like we have been discussing, this is completely normal and completely healthy. But right now still, Bitcoin is sitting at major levels of support. We have been seeing this market structure break, and in that short term, it is actually looking like a lot of liquidity is right now building up on the top side. On top of that, we are forming a new symmetrical triangle, so a massive breakout is going to be inevitable. But anyways, yes, what is going to be extremely important to keep in mind is that currently Bitcoin is still trading inside of a weekend. We could be creating this CME gap, and usually during the course of a weekend, we tend to just consolidate at around that CME close price, which in this case is sitting at that 68.5k level. Now right now, Bitcoin is trading just a little bit above this level, but I would not be surprised to see a little bit of a correction to be coming back towards that CME close price beginning next week. So that would mean we would be getting a little bit of a correction in that short term, but I would definitely not get worried in the slightest. We could easily just consolidate inside of this symmetrical triangle, bounce from off this support level, and that would be perfectly bullish in my opinion. Nothing to be worried about. I do think that eventually we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance. We have been breaking our market structure. We are trading inside of an uptrend instead of this downtrend. And what we can be seeing is that the majority of the liquidity is actually sitting above this major level of resistance. And usually Bitcoin does tend to go towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, it is actually sitting above this resistance, which is meaning that it is going to be actually quite likely that we are going to be breaking above and we are going to be seeing this major breakout. And yes, I've been tweeting this, whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this resistance, well, new all-time are going to be imminent. So whenever we are going to be grabbing that liquidity on the top side, most definitely, I think that all-time are actually going to be inevitable. So yeah, an exciting week is ahead of ourselves in my opinion. With this massive breakout, definitely something we should be closely watching. Whenever we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, I think at that point we are most definitely going to be grabbing that liquidity, breaking above this level of resistance. And furthermore, what is going to be even more important is that on that larger time frame, well, Bitcoin volatility is still sitting at all-time lows. On top of that, we are getting this major Bitcoin retest of this Bitcoin bull flag breakout. Of course, also with this huge Bitcoin cup and handle, and we are just on the corner of breaking all of these ones out towards the upside, getting massive volatility. Probably it's going to be getting towards the upside because of course we are still trading inside of a bull market. And I mean, we are already getting this bullish breakout right over here with a bullish retest right now. So we just need to see our confirmation with a little bit of a break towards the upside. And if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, we are most definitely confirming this breakout with some bullish confirmation. And I think at that point, we are going to be flying towards the upside, going absolutely parabolic. So hey, definitely do be prepared right now. Right now is going to be the time to be paying attention because a massive move is about to come. And well, I am already prepared. That's why I've been screaming for you to get an entry at these bottoms over here. I was literally the one being bullish at these bottoms while everyone was bearish. Everyone was calling for 52k. I've been the one all the time saying right now is going to be the time to be buying it. Well, look at what happened, right? The Bitcoin funding rates are actually still extremely low. So that is still indicating that yes, indeed, we are actually going to be headed even higher from all of these points. Bitcoin history is right now still repeating. So I mean, adding everything together, well, it still looks extremely good. I'm going to be bullish. A major short squeeze is going to be inevitable. So guys, do be prepared. So if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out that link down below, because over on CoinW, you can right now be claiming $5 on your initial sign up. On top of that, on your first futures trade, you can be claiming another $100, which is absolutely insane. Now, the best thing is over on CoinW, there's no KYC required. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be claiming these bonuses. Now, do keep in mind that these bonuses are only going to be available if you do use this link down below in the description. On top of that, you're also going to be eligible for a $30,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check out that first link down below, CoinW. And with that being said, I definitely do think that Bitcoin is about to go absolutely parabolic from of these moments. I think that whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this level of resistance, well, then the same thing like has happened right over here is going to be happening right now. Bitcoin is about to go absolutely parabolic. I think that something like this is going to be next for Bitcoin. So definitely, that's why I've been screaming about it. Definitely do be prepared. I've been saying every freaking time at these bottoms over here, right now is going to be the time to be buying, because what is going to be next is going to be mind-blowing. And still, I do think there is going to be a pretty good entry to be getting in right now. So yeah, do not miss this opportunity. Anyways, for altcoins, I think that whenever this Bitcoin dominance is going to be breaking down, well, then altcoins are going to be exploding. We need to be monitoring this pattern closely, because whenever it does break down, well, that should be the moment where I'm going to go all in towards altcoins. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.